Hi, welcome all. This is Jagdish Chandran sharing the weekly market analysis. Nifty last week price action was somewhat alarming. Thursday, due to expiry pressure, we saw Nifty break below 19,500 crucial supports to test 19,300 to close at 19,396. On Friday's session, Nifty saw a pullback and managed to close above 19,500 levels. For now, we remain cautious on Nifty and 19,300 will be a crucial levels to watch out for next week. Bank Nifty 2 showing signs of weakness. We will review the situation in the next week's price action. IT index showing signs of bottoming out, and we need to slowly and steadily accumulate quality stocks, IT stocks, to your long term portfolio. Thank you. Happy investing. Take care.